Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. This creamy bacon and onion dip is rich, savory and packed with flavor. So easy to make, perfect for game nights, parties or any gathering. I've got here 140 grams of streaky bacon, finely chopped into strips. We also need 1 medium-sized brown onion, diced roughly. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Then add the bacon and fry until nice and golden. If you like some texture in your dip, fry until the bacon becomes crispy. In goes the onions, cook until they soften. Looking good. Let's add to garlic cloves. Stir through for 60 seconds. Transfer to a plate. We want to let the mixture cool slightly. Then, in my mini chopper it goes. I should have really used a food processor, but I was too lazy to take it out. We want to blitz this until fine. It should look like breadcrumbs. To this add 130 grams of cream cheese. Half a cup of good quality whole egg mayonnaise. Half a cup of sour cream. This is going to be a snug fit. 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Blend well. Have a taste. You may not even need to add salt if your bacon is already salty. Cover the dip with cling wrap and press down so a skin doesn't form. Chill for at least 2 hours, but best overnight. The dip will have better flavor and texture. This has chilled overnight and has thickened beautifully. For some freshness, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped chives. There's loads of savory onion and bacon flavor in this dip. Absolutely delicious. Sprinkle a bit of bacon and chives on top. Or if you're like me, just dump loads on. This creamy bacon and onion dip is now ready to share. Serve with crackers, chips or vegetable sticks for a healthier option. Thanks for watching. Get the recipe at my blog. Subscribe and follow for more content.